Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make Deco crepes. I'm using my recipe for crepes, you have the link there. Before I start, I will take some of that, almost for 2 crepes, I will take it out and because I'm going to use a red color. So if you are using more than one color, you take different balls. For this one, I will use a red color. Brush the pan with some oil, and then I'll make the red crepes first. You could use natural colors if you wanted. After it's finished, I will use the shape that I wanted. I will cut out of the crepe, just leave the edges because they are thinner, and cut any shape you wanted. Now I'll place the shape that I cut on either side, should be okay, and then I will pour from the crepes batter on top of the heart that I put. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.